Hey everybody, my name's Daryl Robero. Welcome to Journey to VR. Tonight we're going to be hanging out with Jose and one of our customers, and we're going to be experiencing a VR. What did you make here? What do you got going on?
Sort of AEC architectural visualization room configurator, if you will.
Okay, that's a mouthful.
That's a mouthful.
So where?
It's a VR experience where you configure things inside of a room. How about that?
Okay, and it starts in where? Where did you start?
We started with Revit. It comes with Revit content, brought into Max, massaged a little bit, pushed over into Stingray to create the VR experience.
So from Stingray it goes through Steam VR.
Steam VR, yeah.
To the Vive, and then you get to do something crazy.
Yeah.
You get to put
I
it
have
on.
no idea what's happening right now,
You get to put it on.
but I'm not really sure how I got here.
We have no idea what's going on right now.
Yeah, I think I'm in New York City.
Awesome. So we are in New
make
York
this
City at
Okay.
an Autodesk Live Design
Event.
That's
Among
where
other
you've
things.
landed. If
Among
you
other
are here,
things.
you know.
All right, I'm going to explain to you how this works. You never try one of these. Okay, first of all, we're going to put this guy on first, so all the magic happens.
Copy.
We're going to put the headset on your head, so you're going to hear music and my voice. I'm going to talk to you through my laptop mic. Cool. All right,
Do it.
and then before that, understand that you have these two sensors that are kind of tracking your movement via the headset. And so you have all this space that you can actually move around. You don't have to stay in one spot and not move. You can actually physically move around. And when you approach your physical boundaries in the real world, a blue grid will appear in the virtual world to tell you to not go beyond this, or you will knock things over and hurt people. Sounds good? You'll see it. You'll see what I mean when you see it. And then, as far as the remotes go, these are the two. You're going to put them both in your hand. You only have to use one, but you can hold both. It's fine. The buttons that are of interest for us or that matter to us are this guy here, the thumb pad. So this guy you're going to use. You're going to press and hold it, and this is going to allow you to teleport. When you press and hold it, you're going to see a 3D arc appear. All right, and you can aim that arc wherever you want in the space. Cool. Okay, and wherever you let go is where you're going to teleport to. If the arc is red, you cannot teleport. If it's green, you can teleport. All right, protect horizontal surfaces.
Got it.
The trigger, pick things up, throw them around, interact. So far, so good?
So far, so good.
Put the headset on. I'll put the headphones on, and then we're going to get this show on the road. So you're going to probably look at a very strange thing to start. No? We didn't reset the experience, so.
Oh yeah, I'm at Autodesk, right on.
Right.
Oh yeah, there's beach.
All right.
That's cool.
Put that guy on. Put the headphones on. Yep.
Take that.
So you have audio in this also.
Audio in this also, and we also
Is there a
connect.
left or right?
Yep. When we connect the mic to it as well, and the laptop is listening to me speak to it.
Oh, so when you're giving direction, it's going through the headphones.
Right
to
through the
him
headphones.
to kind of guide him through the
Yeah,
experience.
exactly. Or else, there's too much noise around and stuff, and those things block his ears a lot.
Okay,
All
I'm
right,
right in front
so
of
you
you, so
hear me?
don't trample me.
So just get used to the space around you. You can physically walk around. Remember that you have some area of movement. And we have set this up as a room scale. So now you're on top of the table. So you might want to teleport your way off the table using that teleport button that I showed you. So press and hold it.
Punch that to full screen.
Yeah. So press and hold the teleport button. There you go. Now if you get close to this furniture here, not on it, but close to it, or you can go on it if you want, you can actually pick them up using that trigger button that I showed you. So get closer to them. When you get close enough, they're going to highlight in yellow, telling you that you can actually do stuff with these guys. So you got to get closer. You got to lean over for that table. It's quite low, and you're a tall guy. So lean over even more. There you go. Don't teleport. Use the trigger button. Yeah, get closer to it. There you go. Boom, pick it up. No, trigger button. Yeah, that guy. For your index finger. Boom. You can pass it on from one to the other. You can even juggle if you wanted to. You can get clever. So you can pick up these chairs too if you want. You can throw them
He's
around.
about to grab you, so you're really close to whacking people. So be careful.
All right. So if you want to get closer to those cubes back there, those podiums in the background to your left. Yep. So if you teleport your way to those guys using the thumb pad button, again, in front of them. If you interact with these cubes, you're going to change aspects of the room, like the wallpaper and the flooring. So everyone loves flowered wallpapering. Some prefer darker hardwood, some prefer lighter hardwood, some prefer carpet. Whatever your poison is, this is what this is all about. Oh, and the last, well, not the last thing, but no leopard yet, you know. So don't go there just yet. There's a red giant button here. I really want you to press this. So press that, and turn to your right after you've pressed it. There, turn to your right. This is my fellow co-speaker Lee, who's riding his lovely unicorn, and we just caught that on tape. That is awesome. So if you turn to your left a little bit, there's a little mini conference table right next to that button.
Pretty
now
much.
you're on the pedestal.
It's cool.
So here, yeah, you're a little taller now. So if you okay, you can go this way. There is a printer next to this woman who obviously had a rough night.
Oh my. Oh man.
So if you turn on the printer,
Okay, I got a PC load letter error here.
yeah, so you're like on the printer now. So you might want to get off the printer, yeah, and turn it on again. With the trigger button, not the. So you should hear, yeah, you should hear some printer sounds.
My laptop has an i7, but it's a Quadro M5000.
Oh yeah.
So it's not.
That's Lee's unicorn collection. Where's Lee?
He's standing.
Oh, where's Lee?
Pulling out and talking about the experience here.
Let's pull out. Okay. All right, we're done. Let's pull you out. Okay, let me grab that.
Alright.
Take that off.
That was
Dude, you
trippy.
survived.
So
Yeah. There was a lot
that
of
was your first VR
unicorns, man.
experience. All unicorns, man. It's all about the unicorns.
It's pretty
It
serious.
would not be the same without them.
It was cool. Yeah, it was different. It was like, it was trippy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you feel like you were in the environment, like you could make decisions? And
Yeah, it was cool. It was cool changing the textures on the floor and then looking around, seeing how it changes the light and everything and the wallpaper.
So, what type of work do you do?
I make custom motorcycles.
Oh,
At,
yeah.
Orange
I've seen
County
you
Choppers.
before.
Yep.
Okay. So, when you see something like this, you know, it's almost like a simulator. Do you think this has? You're going to be showing clients bikes on this in the future, something like that. You see this happen?
Oh yeah, I think it'd be cool. I think it'd be cool for like architects and stuff to design a room and see what it looks like and actually have the clients like walk through it. You know, it's pretty cool.
Absolutely. Awesome. Well, Jose, thank you for that, man. And
Thank you for
what
having
was the
me.
path again for that? Like, where does it?
The path is live design, which
Okay.
includes basically Revit, Max, and Stingray, right? So it's the ecosystem of all these products all
Okay.
connected together. The connectivity between all these products with eventually going out into Stingray for VR output.